Hello folks, Heavy Duty Reviews here. I just changed out this, let me find it, 22 pound spring for a 19 pound spring from Wolf Gun Springs. I didn't use the 20 or the 18 pound. I didn't want it to be too light or too heavy because this is the single action pull. It's about 4 3/4, almost 5 pounds for single action, and it was off the charts for the, or it's more than what mine can handle, which is over 8 to 9 pounds. I've already got the grip screws off. Already got the grips off. These grips are awesome, by the way. I bought them off of eBay. They were kind of expensive, but well worth it. And I even shined up the stainless steel grip screws to match the slot. But enough of that. You take off your grips, and then you take this pin out, this itty bitty little pin, using this 332 bit to get it started. And then you finish up with this pointed bit to take it out. And then you pry using this, a good sized flathead screwdriver. You pry on this part right here, the back of that, and you pry it out. Then you put the new spring on, which I've already done, the 19 pound one. And then you use the screwdriver in the same way, and you and be very careful because that spring will go flying across the room, which it did for me. And you push in and also seat it behind the ledge. This is like a bracket that goes in there, and it fits like this, like that. And then the pin goes in right back like that. But you got to get the hole lined up with the bracket, or it won't compress. You can't get it in that way. So now I'm going to put the pin back in and put the grip screws back on and try it out. So I can't do that on camera, but I will show you guys the after I get done with it. Okay, this thing would focus. Focus. I don't know why it's not focusing. Okay, let me try something. Okay, that's focused. I got the pin back in after dropping it once on the ground and searching with a searchlight to find it, because that's the best thing to find small gun parts. It really is, especially with sort of a dark green carpet. Anyway, I got it back on there. I'm going to put the grips back on and try the trigger gauge again. But before I do that, I'm going to clean up parts. I already cleaned the strut. It was pretty dirty, as you can see from the paper towel. And the spring is brand new, so it's not dirty, but I'm going to clean up some of the insides with paper towel, maybe a couple Q-tips. See you in a minute. Okay, I got the grips back on. They're on good and tight, but not too tight to where the magazine won't feed in and out. Now I'm going to test the trigger gauge. I will cut it off now and put it on the trigger gauge, see what's going on. Okay, it is setting right at 8 pounds double action. I did it 2 or 3 times and it's right at 8 pounds. Let's try the single action. And the single action is right at 4 pounds, just a tad over. So these are exactly what I wanted it to be. Not too light, not too heavy. 8 pound double action, perfect. That's what I strive for on any trigger job, whether it be revolver or semi-automatic with double action, single action. And 4 pounds is perfect.